Good morning, one and all present here. ACS Kaiga is observing Fit India Week this week. Health is wealth. A famous classical Tamil poet, Tirumular, says, the heart is a huge temple where the great God resides, and body, a synchrony of soul and the supreme. For the mouth that chants his name is the entrance to the great temple, and the life hidden inside is none other than God Himself. All creatures of the world celebrate the great wonder of wonders, our body. Today's theme for the assembly is exercise is a celebration of what your body can do, not a punishment for what you ate. I request Deshpande sir to continue with the command.
Good morning, students. Class, attention. Class, stand at ease. Class, attention. Hold your hands. Close your eyes. Start prayer.
Thank you, Chinmay, for initiating today's proceeding with the invocation. Here comes Yukta Pillai of class 8th to share her views on remaining fit. Yukta, please.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought: fitness is not destination and a seasonal hobby. It is a way of life. Being the citizens of India, let's move towards getting fitter. Thank you.
Thank you, Yukta. May I now call upon Ashita of class 8th for presenting her idea on the topic exercise is a celebration. Ashita.
Good morning to one and all present in this virtual assembly. Today, I'm here to speak something about exercise as a celebration of what a body can do and not a punishment for what we ate. It's well known that exercise is one of the best ways to stay healthy and to maintain a healthy body weight. Then, why is it so difficult for us to stay active when we know how good it is for us? Perhaps we have to change how we feel about physical activities. Exercise is a physical activity carried out to sustain or improve health and fitness. When exercise gives such benefits, why should we consider it as a punishment? Rather, we should give it the top priority in our to-do list. As mind grows healthy with positive thoughts, a body grows healthy with exercises. When we eat a yummy, delicious food, that is our stomach, feels satisfied and we are happy. But isn't it our duty to make each and every organ of the body happy? Of course, yes. This can be done through exercises. Look at our body. It is a wonderful living machine. It not only helps us in running, jumping, but also in breathing and healing. We feel happy and comfortable when our body works well, right? For our body to work well, we have to use exercise as a lubricant. Exercise makes us active, which in turn is appreciated by our loved ones. So, exercise is a celebration of what a body can do and not a punishment for what we ate. Because if our stomach is full and we feel uncomfortable, a walk will help us. If our knees catch up, some stretching relaxes them. Then, when exercise gives so much happiness, then how can we consider it as a punishment? Happy events are celebrated, and exercise is one among them. So, I would like to conclude by saying help your body be vibrant and healthy by exercising. Shift your mindset from punishment to celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashita. May I now call upon Pranav to present the news headlines, please. Pranav.
Good morning, everyone present in this meeting. Today, I'm here to inform or aware you about some things going around the world. The news headlines. Bharat Bandh till 3 p.m. Tuesday, but emergency services will be allowed, says farmer leader Balbir Singh Rajabal. Government will have to accept our demands, says farmers. Leaders of 11 parties, including Congress President Sonia Gandhi, said they would lend their wholehearted support to the December 8 Bharat Bandh. Karnataka, focus on catching up with lost learning, says educationists. Studies in the US suggest those in grades 4, 7, and 8 would need 8 to 11 weeks to catch up concepts they have missed. COVID-19. India pins hopes on 4 vaccines to inoculate 30 crore by July. Day after Serum Institute of India, Bharat Bio seeks emergency nod for vaccine. India records 26,208 new cases with a death toll of 389, lowest in 152 days. Jehan Daruwala creates history, becomes first Indian to win F2 race. England's cricket tour of South Africa cancelled after COVID-19 outbreak in the England touring party. Both countries said on Monday. Australia's Black Summer bushfires killed or harmed more than 60,000 koalas, said by WWF. Amid farm fire, PM Modi says reforms needed for Vikas. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranav. May we now request our respected Vice Principal, Sir, Shri Sandesh Kumar Rai, to enrich the assembly with his thoughts. Sir, please.
Thank you, madam. Good morning to all of you. Today's theme is very relevant to all of us. Exercise is the celebration. You all the speakers speak well. My dear student, exercise is very important for all of us. You know that. Just imagine that if you have all the amenities, all the facilities, but your body is not healthy, you cannot enjoy all the facilities. Until unless you are healthy, you cannot be happy. You can be healthy only if you regularly do exercises. I have seen that now students have developed that practice that they normally ride on the vehicles, two-wheelers, even four-wheelers. My dear student, instead of that, you should use the bicycles. In short distances, even for the small long distances, you can use the bicycle. Using the bicycle, you have so many benefits. The very important benefit, your health will be improved. Number 2, it will be economical. And number 3, you will save the environment. And it is a sort of exercise. You will get surprised to know that so many teachers, they have started using bicycles. And that is the inspiration for you. If your teacher can ride on your bicycle, why you cannot? My dear student, you should regularly do the exercise, whatever be the conditions. Exercise may be in different way. You can help your parents also in doing some household work. And during that, you can do the exercise. You can make some gardening at your home. If you are at home, find some leisure time. That will be also the exercise. Sometimes you should do the yoga activities. I have seen that sometimes when your sports teacher conduct the yoga activity, students do not participate wholeheartedly. They take that it's like a punishment. But my dear student, you know that theme of the today's assembly is exercise is celebration. You take it as a celebration. You enjoy every activity. Definitely your body will be very fit and you will enjoy all the things. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you very much, sir. They say good things come only to those who sweat. Let's get ready to sweat and shed. Here comes the rhythmic freehand exercise display. May I now call upon Gina Madam to proceed on with the same. Gina madam.
Class, attention. Standard is attention. Ready position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Group, hold. Students, standard is
Class, attention. Class, standard is. Class, attention. Class, disperse.
With this, we come to the end of today's assembly. We will be meeting tomorrow with a new theme. Thank you all.